Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing while launching the game Red Dead Redemption 2. You got an error. Social Club failed to initialize with error code 16. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right click on Start menu, choose option Run. Type a percentage, app data percentage, and then hit the enter key. Now here you will find a folder with the name .1911. Open it. Open RDR2 folder, profile, and here you will find a file with the name cfg.dat. Right click and choose option delete. Once deleted, you need to open the game directory. So at my end, the game is available in F drive, Rockstar Games, and here is RDR2. Open the folder of RDR2 and right over here, if you have two files with the name vf.asi or lm.ini, make sure you delete both the files. You can find the files right in the search box while type in vf.asi. If the file is available, make sure you delete it. And the name of second file is lm.ini. At my end, I have deleted both the files and that's why the issue is completely fixed. So after deleting both the files, relaunch your game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, open up your web browser and you need to download 3 different files. First one is issue checker. Click on the download link and save this file into your system. Second one is Microsoft Visual C++. Generally, it is installed with the game, but if you have not installed it, again scroll down and click on this x64 link to download and then install Microsoft Visual C++ into your system. And third one is ASI loader. Click on this option to download this ASI loader into a PC. You do not need ASI loader if you have installed OpenI5 into your PC because it is installed with ASI loader. So if you have not installed OpenI5, then you need ASI loader, else you are good to go. Now first of all, open the bypass file, right click and choose option copy. You need to paste this file right into the game directory. And the game is installed in E drive, Rockstar Games, RDR2. Right click and paste the file. Once it is pasted, now you need to open the second file, which is ASI loader. Right click on D input, copy, and again paste the file right into the directory of the game, which is RDR2. After pasting these two files, install Microsoft Visual C++ if you haven't installed, and once you have done all 3 changes, make sure to restart your PC. And after restarting, relaunch your game and the issue of Social Club failed to initialize with error code 16 while playing the game RDR2 will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.